Hi, so we're going to work on this paper, rectangular prisms. We can count the squares to find the dimensions, the length, the height, the width. From that, we'll be able to figure out surface area and volume. So this handout has a total of 9 problems. I'm going to do problem 1, and then you'll do 2 and 3. I'm going to do problem 4, and then you'll do 5 and 6. And then I'm going to do problem number 7, and then you'll be able to do 8 and 9. And this will be on page 50 this year. It might be a different page number in next year's of our interactive notebook. I am going to use a pen. You use a pencil, and I'm even going to tell you the truth. I'm nervous about using a pen because this is a lot of writing. I'm going to try to write small so I can keep it contained on the paper. And here we go. So to find surface area, we know that we're going to find the surface area of each face, but each face has 2 sides. So this face, which is our 10 by 3, as you can see, it is going to be doubled on the other side. So there's 2 of those. So there will also be 2 of the side pieces, which are 4 by 3. And there will be 2 of the top and bottoms, which would be 10 by 4. So all you have to do is know the 3 measurements, the length, the height, the width. And then we're going to go 2 times each of them. And then take the numbers 3, 10, and 4. You can go 4, 3, 10, 4, 10, 4, 3. It doesn't matter. I'm just going to go 4, 10, 3. And I'm going to write them down 4, 10, 3. And then I'm going to come down here and I'm going to come down a step and repeat 4, 10, 3. Now, this would give me my faces. 2 times 4 is 8, times 3 is 24. 2 times 10 is 20, times 4 is 80. 2 times 3 is 6, times 10 is 60. And then I can add them all together. And I now know that the surface area is 164 units squared. Okay? So try the stair-step method on problems 2 and 3. Be sure that you label that you have the width, the height, and the length. Okay? And you can make width, height, and length be different numbers. You can make this the height and this. It doesn't matter. You just need your 3 dimensions. Let's look at finding volume. Again, with volume, you still need your dimensions. Okay? So this here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. My height is 4. And my depth here is also 4. So volume is length times width times height. So it's just going to be 6 times 4 times 4. You just multiply it straight out. You can use a calculator for any of this. 6 times 4 times 4, 96. But this was units, this was units, and this was units. So it's not units squared, it's units cubed. Okay? So, surface area and volume. Let's look at doing surface area and volume of these. My 3 dimensions are 20, 45, and 16. So that tells me my numbers, they're going to be big. So I've got 2 of each of the faces, and I'm going to go 20, 45, 16. 20, 45, 16, and then stair step down, 20, 45, 16, and definitely going to use my calculator, and I'm going to figure 2 times 20 is 40 times 16. Wow, 640. I knew those numbers were going to be big. 2 times 45 is 90, and 90 times 20 is 1800. I could do that one in my head. 2 times 16 is 32, times 45 is 1440. Then add them all together. I've got 1440 already in my calculator. So add to that 1,800 and 640, and I get 3,880 and centimeters squared, because I'm talking area, so it's going to be squared. Volume is a lot easier. 20 times 45 times 16. You just multiply the three numbers out. So 20 times 45, we know is 900. And then that times 16 is 14,400. And because we did units times units times units, we know that it's going to be centimeters cubed, because it's really centimeters times centimeters times centimeters. All right. So I did the first one of each of those. You should be able to finish that off. When you're complete, check your email for a quiz or a progress check. If you need a workshop on this, be sure to ask for help. Thank you.